Jake and Emily are sitting on a park bench, talking about groceries and money.
Hey, Emily, do you go grocery shopping every week?
Hi, Jake. Yes, I usually go on Saturday mornings. What about you?
I go on Sundays. Groceries are so expensive these days.
Yes, I agree. My bill is always more than I expect.
Same here. I want to save more money on food.
That's a good idea. Do you make a shopping list before you go?
Not always. I just go and pick what I need.
That's the problem. If you don't have a list, you buy extra things.
You're right. Maybe I should plan better.
Yes, I always write a list. I check what I have at home first.
Smart. So you don't buy what you already have?
Exactly. It saves money and time.
What else do you do to save?
I use coupons and store apps.
Really? I've never used coupons.
You should try. Many stores have digital coupons on their apps.
Cool. Which apps do you use?
I use Walmart, Target, and Kroger apps. They show weekly deals.
I shop at Walmart too. I'll check the app.
Also, try buying store brand items. They are cheaper than big brands.
Are they good?
Yes, most of them taste the same.
Nice. I always pick name brands. I didn't think about that.
Try store brands next time. You'll see the difference in price.
How much do you usually spend each week?
Around $60 for one person. What about you?
Sometimes $90. That's too much.
Wow, maybe you are buying too many snacks.
Yes, chips, cookies, and soda.
Snacks are expensive and not healthy.
True. I need to cut back.
Okay, Jake, let's do some smart shopping.
Sounds good. I have my list this time.
Great! What's first on your list?
Milk, eggs, and bread.
Let's go to the dairy section.
This milk is $3.29, but this store brand is $2.79.
That's 50 cents saved already.
Nice. Let's get the cheaper one.
Good job. What's next?
Eggs. The large eggs are $4.19, but the medium ones are $3.59.
Do you need large eggs?
No, medium is fine.
Then go for the cheaper one.
Done. Bread is next. Oh, wow. Some bread is $5.
Yeah, but look, this store brand is $2.49.
That's half the price.
And it tastes almost the same.
Okay, I'll take that. I've already saved over $3.
Apples look good today.
Yes, and they're on sale. $1.49 per pound.
I'll take 2 pounds. That's about $3.
Great. Bananas are also cheap. Only 59 cents per pound.
I'll grab some. I eat one every morning.
That's healthy and budget-friendly.
What about vegetables?
Buy what's in season. Right now, carrots and spinach are cheap.
How do you know what's in season?
You can check online or just see what's on sale.
That's easy. I'll get carrots and spinach.
Ooh, chips. My favorite.
Careful. Snacks add up fast.
These chips are $4.99. That's a lot.
Yes. Maybe get one small bag instead.
Okay. This one is $1.79.
That's better. Still enjoy snacks, just less.
Yeah, I don't need 5 bags every week.
Good thinking.
Emily, do you ever buy frozen food?
Sometimes. I like frozen vegetables and fruit. They last longer.
I always thought fresh was better.
Fresh is great, but frozen is cheaper and easy to store.
This bag of frozen broccoli is only $2.49.
That's a good deal. And no waste.
There's also frozen mixed fruit for smoothies.
Yes, I use that for breakfast. It costs less than fresh berries.
This one is $3.99 for a big bag. That's not bad.
Much cheaper than buying small packs of fresh fruit.
I want to buy some chicken. It's my favorite.
Look for the packs that are on sale.
This one is $7.50, but this other one is $5.99 per pound.
Check the label. Sometimes the cheaper one has more fat.
You're right. I'll get the one with less fat, even if it's a little more.
Good choice. Quality matters too.
Can I freeze this?
Yes, just put it in small bags and freeze. Use it later.
That will make it last longer. Nice. Pasta is cheap. Only $1.29 for a box.
Yes, and one box makes many meals.
I'll get spaghetti and penne.
Do you have sauce at home?
No, I need some.
This jar of tomato sauce is $2.49. Not bad.
Can I make my own sauce?
Yes. Canned tomatoes, garlic, and olive oil. It's easy.
I'll try that next time.
Also, get rice. A big bag lasts a long time.
This 5-pound bag is only $3.79.
That's a great value. You can make many meals with that.
Wow, look at my cart. It's full, but I didn't buy junk.
That's the smart way to shop. Quality food, low cost.
Okay, let's check out. I hope I stayed under $60.
Fingers crossed. Let's see.
All right. Eggs, milk, veggies, rice, pasta, and the total is
What is it?
$58.42.
Yes, you did it.
That's almost $30 less than last time.
Awesome. And you got meals for the whole week.
It feels good to save. I didn't even feel like I was missing anything.
Because you planned ahead and skipped the extras.
Right. No random snacks, no soda, no extra chips.
And you bought store brands and used coupons too.
That really helped. Next time, I'll try even more meal planning.
I'll send you a few easy recipes. You'll love them.
Thanks, Emily. You're a grocery shopping pro.
Just a regular budget queen.
Okay, let's pack up. I'm ready to go home and cook.
Let's see. Eggs in the fridge, milk on the shelf, fruit in the bowl. Feels good to have real food again. Hey, Emily, I'm putting everything away now.
Nice. Are you organizing things?
Trying to. I froze the chicken and veggies. Fruit is in the fridge.
Great. That way, nothing goes bad.
I used to just throw bags in the fridge. Now I'm trying to do better.
You're doing great. Did you make a meal plan?
Yeah, kind of. Pasta Monday, chicken Tuesday, rice and beans Wednesday?
That's a smart plan. You'll eat healthy and save time.
And I'm going to pack my lunch for work now.
You're becoming a real budget master.
Slowly. Next week, I'll try your tomato sauce recipe.
Let me know if you need help. I'm always happy to share ideas.
Thanks, Emily. You've helped me a lot today.
I'm glad. Grocery shopping can be fun if you do it right.
Okay, time to cook. Talk to you soon.
Bye, Chef Jake.
Bye, Emily.